Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Shift with Shashi. Well, if you drive a petrol car in 2026, you are already running on E20 fuel, which means a 20% ethanol and 80% would be petrol blend. But what the government called a green revolution to save on crude oil imports is turning into a mechanical nightmare for thousands of car owners. The harsh reality of this transition is finally hitting the streets, and it is hitting our wallets hard. You might have noticed your car feeling a bit sluggish, or your fuel economy is dropping by 10 to 15%, but that is just the tip of the iceberg compared to the catastrophic engine failures we are starting to witness nationwide. The biggest wake up call came just recently when a massive controversy erupted on YouTube surrounding a brand new Toyota Innova Hycross. A popular Bihar-based YouTuber posted a viral video showing his practicality new Hycross hybrid driven for just 12,000 kilometers, completely broken down and needing a massive fuel system overhaul. The kicker here is that the dealership completely denied the warranty claim. They blamed the breakdown on fuel contamination and abnormal ethanol content from the E20 fuel. In this and that the viral video, the fuel tank was dropped and the entire high pressure and low pressure fuel system had to be taken apart. The footage showed visible sludge and discolored fuel sitting right inside a car that costs upward of 30 to 40 lakh rupees, leaving the owner with a massive repair bill and zero manufacturer support. So what exactly caused a highly reliable Toyota hybrid to fail so early, and what does this mean for your car in 2026 and beyond? The core villain here is something called phase separation. Ethanol is highly hygroscopic, meaning it acts as a sponge and actively pulls moisture straight out to the humidity in the air. When water mixes with the ethanol in your fuel tank, it becomes heavier than the petrol and sinks to the absolute bottom of the tank. When you start your car, your fuel pump doesn't suck up petrol, it sucks up this highly corrosive water ethanol sludge. This leads to immediate engine knocking and severe corrosion of the metal lines, prematurely hardened fuel pump diaphragms, and completely clogged injectors. While older pre-2023 cars are the most vulnerable, this viral Hycross incident proves that even modern, officially E20 compliant engines are not safe from the severe water contamination risks that come with the storing ethanol blends. If you want to protect your engine and your hard-earned money in this new E20 era, you have to completely change how you maintain your vehicle. First, you need to abandon the habit of filling up your tank and letting the car sit idle for weeks. If you are a low mileage driver, only fill what you need for the week to prevent that disastrous phase separation from happening. Second, it is time to cut your fuel filter replacement intervals in half. Ethanol is a powerful solvent that cleans out years of old tanks deposits, sending all that junk straight into your filters and injectors. Finally, you have to be incredibly careful about where you fill up, as underground tanks at poorly maintained fuel stations are prime spots for water seepage, which reacts instantly with the E20 fuel. The transition to ethanol is an unstoppable train for India's energy security, but the mechanical burden has officially been shifted to us, the owners, basically. Even top executives and the petroleum ministry have started admitting to minor mileage drops, but the ground reality shows that many owners are seeing significant efficiency losses and doubling the repair bills. drop a comment below and let me know if you have noticed a drop in your mileage or any knocking in your engine since the E20 rollout. Do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more unfiltered automotive truths, and share this video with anyone who owns a petrol car today. And I want to give you a small hack or knack which you can make sure to keep your vehicle pretty reliable is to go with X100 petrol, which is usually used in the sports cars. Basically, that is slightly expensive, not slightly, it's pretty drastically expensive, which is 167. I found it in Hyderabad, the Indian Oil petrol pump. Yeah, probably you would be spending bit more bucks on that overall year wise, but your car will be safe is what I could suggest. So yeah, please give your take on that as well and share your valuable insights, and take care. Cheers, bye.